Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Journey. In the series of the SEO, today we will discuss about what is on-page SEO. So on-page SEO, on-site SEO is the process of optimizing the website pages to rank higher in the search result. What it says means, suppose we have a website of the Digital Journey. So we will optimize the website, and in the website, the definition of the website is the collection of the web page. Collection of web page means this digitaljourney.in is known as the complete website, and in this website there are the multiple web pages like about us page, courses, events, placement, contact us. These are the multiple pages. So we can say that the website is the collection of the web page, and in on-page SEO or on-site SEO we have to work on separate web page. Like for about us page, for courses page, for event page, they will be in separate SEO. And after that, if we discuss about the further parts, now this particular part is coming, the second, to rank it higher on the search results. Like if we will do the SEO of about us page, then from the about us page, the ranking of the about us page will be high in the search result page. As the same way, if we will do the SEO for the course page, so the ranking of the course page will be in the search result. When the people search for related to our page keyword in the search engine, so our page will be reflected at the top. So what is the goal? The goal is to increase organic traffic by making a website more visible to search engine and attractive to users. Like if our website is high ranking in the search result, so the traffic will be more than compared to the non-organic website. As we can say that the traffic will be more, so the customer conversion can be more. What are the components? So include optimizing content. We have to optimize the content in the on-page SEO. As we have to optimize the element, it can be like a particular image part, particular heading part, site architecture, HTML element in the heading form like H1 heading, H2 heading, H3 heading. In this way, we have to optimize. What involve? Align page level element, like we have to work on the title tags, heading, content with a specific set of the keywords. So organic on-page SEO is one of the three main factors that Google algorithm use to rank a website, along with off-page SEO and technical SEO. So normally for ranking the website, we have three factors. The first one is the on-page, the second one is off-page, the third one is the technical SEO. So on-page SEO is the one of the main factors, same as the off-page and technical SEO along with the. So the some best practice of the on-page SEO is like we have to use the targeted keyword. Suppose if we want to rank the website on the digital marketing course in Delhi, so we have to use the targeted content like digital marketing course in Delhi in our content of the web page. जैसे that particular targeted keywords we can include in the title tag, meta description, heading, subheading, body content and URL. In this place we can include the targeted keyword on our website. Optimize image. We have to optimize our image to keep the file size small while keeping the image clear. Include alt text. We have to define what is image about, like what the information is giving from we can take from this image. So this can be done by the alt text. So for every image we have to mention the alt text. Alt text basically define what is related to the image, like which point. Suppose if we are uploading the image of digital marketing course, so we have to define the digital marketing course in alt text. After that, include quickly and accurately describe and engage. So we have to also consider the page speed, like we have to design the page in this way so the load time of the page can be decreased. So other on-page SEO element include like naming clickable element, canonical links, meta robot, schema. So these are the separate on-page elements. You can use the, so we can say that like website is the collection of the web page, and the web page can be like in the digitaljourney.com, digitaljourney.in, about us, courses, events, placement, contact us. These are the web page, and the collection of the web page is known as the website. So we have to optimize this particular things regularly basis. And like while optimizing for the on page, we have to work on the title text, we have to work on the headings, we have to work on the content, HTML elements, content elements. On these elements we have to work on. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Have a nice day. Take care.